At Virgin Australia, your safety has always been, and will continue to be, our number one priority. We recognise that there is a lot of uncertainty in the world at the moment as a result of the COVID-19 situation. We want to reassure our valued customers and our people that we are doing everything we can to ensure a safe and clean environment on board our aircraft. Virgin Australia crew are closely following up-to-date advice from our team of medical and safety experts who are regularly reviewing the latest information. We want to reassure you that we are also closely following advice from Australian medical authorities as well as the World Health Organization regarding precautions to minimise risks concerned with COVID-19. Our aircraft undergo a rigorous and thorough nightly cleaning procedure, which includes the disinfecting of seats, tray tables, armrests, windows and shades, seatback entertainment screens, lavatories, galleys, doors and interior walls. We have also introduced a new antibacterial and antimicrobial cleaning agent that sanitises and provides long-lasting protection on cabin surfaces. In addition to these cleaning practices, we have also taken action to implement additional hygiene practices on board our flights as recommended by the relevant health authorities. We are continuing to regularly review and update onboard procedures as often as needed, and currently all of our aircraft are equipped with face masks and hand sanitisers. If any guest presents as unwell or with symptoms, they will be provided with a face mask and, where possible, moved away from other passengers. To help make your flight experience as comfortable as we can, we're also giving all guests the option to move next to a vacant seat whenever it is possible. As confirmed by medical authorities, COVID-19 is not an airborne virus, and therefore it cannot be spread through the air conditioning systems in aircraft. To ensure high standards of air quality, our jet aircraft are fitted with high efficiency particulate air filters, commonly known as HEPA filters. These filters are widely used in medical applications such as surgical theatres and pharmaceutical manufacturing, as they are effective at capturing greater than 99.9% of the airborne microbes. Our guests are at the heart of everything we do, so our booking policies have been amended to offer freedom and flexibility for current bookings, as well as peace of mind for those looking to book future travel. Change fees have been waived on both domestic and international bookings, and we recommend going to our customer care hub on our website for the latest information. Above all, we value the health and safety of our guests and our people, and we have a commitment to uphold the highest standards each and every time you travel with us. Rest assured, our highly qualified team are working non-stop so you can feel at ease knowing each time you fly with Virgin Australia, your safety is always our number one priority.